Hello everyone, this is Michelle from Shanghai Iven Pharmatech. Today I would like to introduce for our injectable wire Turnkey projects. So before I introduce our Turnkey projects, I also would like to share with you the service of Iven can provide to you. Like if you want to set up the injectable wire Turnkey projects, so we can give to you from A to Z the Turnkey solution. Start from the consult, service, the feasibility study, the project engineer design, the equipment model selection and customization, and also the full set GMP the after sales service, upgrading service also. We also need your confirm for this, like the use is for human, for an animal, and it's accepted or not, like the regulation you like for EU GMP, FDA, or WHO GMP. And also the drug, the character of the drug, like the oil type or like water. And also we also need your confirm some products may be very sensitive and toxic. And also besides it, we need your confirm for the capacity, like how many wire per hour and what's the main size, and the shift, how many shifts per day. So after that, we will design the product line process for you. When we fix the wire, for the wire they also have different kinds of solution like the liquid and powder. For the powder we have the machine which can directly from the powder filling in the powder. And the second is from the lyophilizer. You can free dry to powder. It depends on the product's character. We will give the selection for you. And we can see the process, craft the process of the wire line. Firstly, the wire washing and sterilizing channel we will design in Class D environment. And then the filling and stopping we will design in Class B environment. And the capping and solution mixing system we will design in Class C environment. For the full packing system, we will design in CNC environment. And then we will see our project design and main process equipment for the injectable one. Before we start the design and after we sign the contract, we will give the detailed schedule to you for our Iven Turnkey projects, like how many days it will need to take to do the concept design, and how many months we need for the machine production, and how many months we need to take for the shipment, and how many months we need to do the clean room installation and validation. So we will give the detailed schedule to you, let you feel more confident about your project's time control. Besides we give the concept design, we also give the design the requirement for the civil construction. Like some parts need a big do the ditch, and we also need some special requirement for the roof weight bear and the height of the roof. So we will give the detailed instruction in the drawing. Here is our injectable wire project layout, the concept design. And from the 3D, you can see very clearly of the process. Firstly, from the injectable wire, and then for lyophilizer, and then go for capping, and then go for the auto packing system. Some special products like some biopharm, like the vaccine, we may also design the cold storage, which control the storage temperature from 2 to 8 degrees. And after that, we will give you a detailed drawing. The detailed drawing which includes HVAC contraction drawing, the water contraction drawing, electrical contraction drawing, and also the process contraction drawing. Then we will go for the solution preparation system. For the solution preparation, nowadays there are mainly two kinds. The first is disposable bags, and the second is stainless steel tanks. For the stainless steel tank, we have optional function like CIP, SIP, and the mechanical stirring, and a vending system, nitrogen flush function for some special products. We'll go for the assembly injectable wire for the injectable wire washing machine. For the injectable wire washing machine, we have optional function with or without ultrasonic. And our cleaning machine mainly use WFI water and recycled water and clean compressed air. go for the sterilizing tanner. For the sterilizing tanner, there will be 3 sections. First, the preheating and heating section and a cooling section. We also have the interlocking between the washing machine and the sterilizing tanner sensor for infect the port of tanner. Before we introduce our filling line, here I also would like to share some information of filling method. There are mainly 3 kinds of filling system. The first, rotary piston pump. The second, peristaltic pump. And the third, time pressure filling. For those 3 pumps, they all have the advantage and disadvantage. So we will depends on your product's the character and your requirement to give the best solution. Like we take an example for the peristaltic pump. Like the advantage is easy handling and the sealed system and sealable for crystallizing and shear sensitive products. And also normally no need CIP and SIP required. But the disadvantage, which is not suitable for viscose products and limit the tube use life. Filling and stopping machine. For our filling, we also have an optional function like the nitrogen flushing before filling and after filling. For us, we can control the oxygen rate from 1% to 5%. The optional function for the running system, like the sampling checking of 100% checking. And we also have this function for CIP and SIP system. For some special products, we also need a lyophilizer. So what is a lyophilizer? The lyophilizer is from process remove the typical water from the sensitive products by converts it to solid from the liquid. So why we do need a free dry? Firstly, it can increase the use life. Secondly, it can improve the storage temperature. Like some products, if we use liquid, it may be need storage in cold storage, but when it in solid, so it just in room temperature. And also, the advantages prepare the final dry powder for some tablet. So here is our capping station after the lyophilizer. So we will send it to the capping station. For the capping station, we have automatic reject system. Like if no cap, it will automatically reject. If no rubber, also no capping function. Here I would like to share this for the packing system. For the end of packing, we have a different solution. You would like prefer semi-automatic or full automatic. So we can give you customized. For the full automatic process, you start from the automatic vial inspection, labeling machine, blister packing machine, boxing machine, and also the cutting machine. Also we can design for the palletizing and automatic warehouse. For the injector wire projects, the water is very important. So we also have the purified water, the distilled water, and the pure steam generator and tanks for ensure control you have the good water, makes the good water. For the water treatment system, we also can according to your country regulation, like follow EU GMP or US FDA, we can customize production for you. Now we would like to introduce the public utility and our clean room system. For the public utility, like the compressed air, we have different kinds of the compressed air, like the oil-free, mic oil-free, and also the oil type air compressor from different brands. Or similar as the boiler, we also have a different brand for your selection. And here I would like to introduce our clean room system. Before introduce, I would like to share our clean room panel. We have different kinds of a panel for your selection. Like we have paper honeycomb, the rock wool, glass magnesium. So we will depend on your products and also your requirement and your regulation. We give the best solution for the clean room panel. And we also have different kinds of clean room door, like aluminum clean room door, steel door, the stainless steel door, and also we have different kinds like the hinge and also the door handle. We also have the interlocking system. But I also introduced for our ear ducts and the AHU system. For the AHU, we also have different the brand for your selection. After our machine finished production, and now if we do the finish the FAT, we would like to go for the machine shipment and also our worker visa prepare at the same time. So you can see the machine before the shipment, we pack it very well to ensure the machine safety during the shipment. Here is the some photo of our goods deliver, which we have very good protect. So before our machine arrived at your site, we will also in same time apply the visa of our engineer. So we will fly to your site to guide your team for the machine location and also unloading and open the container. Before we start the clean room construction, we first location the equipment and also do the protect. You can see here is we are fully covered the machine to ensure there's no dust go inside. And now we start the clean room erection. You can see here we have very good protect of the panel during our installation. And we also have the safety instruction for our worker and to let them pay attention for the safety. Here is our air duct. You can see the environment is very clean and neat. And the air duct, when we do the assembling, we also have the ceiling here to avoid the dust to go inside the air duct, which fully comply the GMP process. Here is our air duct installation and the installation. Here is the AHU system. I would like to share a short video for our clean room project, the clean room erection, the process, roughly process. You can see from this video, firstly the machine location, and then erection the clean room work panel, and then installation the door, the windows, and the flooring. All of our installation team, they have a very rich experience. They have dealing more than 2 years at least installation experience in China for the pharmaceutical. So they are very familiar for the process. For the clean room, the material is very important and the skilled worker also very important. So even besides have the very good quality for the clean room wall panel, the door, and also have very skilled installation team. They are very high efficiency and also can ensure the very beautiful installation. Here is the air ducts. For our air ducts, also the engineer mostly they have more than 15 years experience for the air ducts installation, because it's also very critical part for the whole project. You can see the covering we are doing very beautiful and neat. So after that, we will also, in the same time, the process pipeline, we also start installation and welding. For the welding, all of our welder, they have the certificate, must have certificate. And we also have the automatic welding machine to welding the process pipeline. You can see the welding the surface here is very beautiful. Like a fish skin, right? And here is our some photo I would like to share with you during our project's installation. After the installation the projects, we will also give the training and validation, help our clients do the validation in their projects. You can see here is our engineer training the staff, not only training for the operate the machine and also the maintenance and the process, and also some GMP knowledge, we also give them a training. And besides that, we also hand over the full set GMP documents for our clients. Here is some photo of our final finished projects I will share with you. You can see it's very beautiful and high quality standard. Like the clean room wall, the panel, and the floor will use very good quality. Here is some equipment like the injector wire and the autoclave, the tanks, and the QC lab, and the clean room system. Here's a short video in our client site for the injection line. Environment. It's the final short video for show the clean room the system after we finish. You can see the door. They have different kinds of design. Okay, thank you for your time to see our live show. I would like to let you expect for next issue. It will be more exciting. Thank you. Bye bye.